Welcome to our channel. We are unity of consciousness where we help you achieve personal and spiritual growth. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the habits that hinder our life goals and success, and how to fix them. We often unknowingly sabotage our own progress with habits that seem harmless but are actually detrimental. By identifying these habits and implementing effective solutions, we can pave the way to achieving our dreams. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform these habits into stepping stones towards your success. 1. Setting unclear goals. Setting vague goals is like setting sail without a destination. Without clear, specific goals, we lack direction and motivation. To fix this, practice smart goal setting: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and set deadlines. This clarity will help you focus your efforts, track your progress, and stay motivated. Remember, a clear vision is the first step towards achieving your dreams. It is the drive and light that will guide you forward. 2. Procrastinating and coming up with excuses. Procrastination is the thief of time. We often delay tasks, making excuses to justify our inaction. Combat this by breaking tasks into smaller steps and setting short deadlines. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and productive. Create a routine and stick to it. Routines and smaller tasks help for smaller bites. Remember, taking the first step, no matter how small, is crucial. Don't let excuses hold you back from achieving greatness. 3. Multitasking or juggling more than one project. Multitasking can seem efficient, but it often dilutes the quality of our work and increases stress. Instead, focus on one task at a time and make sure to complete it. Prioritize your tasks and allocate specific time slots for each. This approach, known as single tasking, enhances your productivity and ensures you give your best to every project. Doing too many things and not getting anything done is something that you should definitely stay away. Quality over quantity should be your mantra. 4. Confusing busyness with productivity. Being busy doesn't always mean being productive. Doing things just for the sake of keeping busy will fog your vision. Evaluate your daily activities and identify tasks that truly contribute to your goals. Eliminate or delegate less important tasks. Use tools like to-do lists and productivity apps to stay organized. Focus on achieving results, not just activity. Remember, productivity is about working smarter, not harder. 5. Letting time killers in your life. Time killers can derail your productivity. Time killers can be classified in two sets. 1. Reduce social media and Netflix time. No one got successful by watching movies. Do set specific times for checking emails and social media. Use apps to limit screen time and block distracting websites during work hours. Practice mindfulness and stay present in your tasks. By managing your time effectively, you can achieve more in less time and stay focused on your goals. 6. Seeking perfection. Perfectionism can lead to procrastination and burnout. Aim for progress, not perfection. Set realistic standards and understand that mistakes are part of the learning process. Celebrate small victories and learn from setbacks. Be present and do not critique the past actions or be anxious for the future. By embracing imperfection, you can move forward with confidence and creativity. 7. Avoiding risks. Avoiding risks can keep you in your comfort zone, but growth happens outside of it. Evaluate the risks and weigh the potential benefits. Start with small, calculated risks to build your confidence. choosing risks that help you move ahead and forward about the risks that help you reach your goals. Remember, every successful person has taken risks at some point. Every new invention is brought forward to someone had the willingness to take risks. Embrace uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and innovation. 8. Letting fear paralyze next steps. Fear can paralyze us and prevent us from taking action. Acknowledge your fears and confront them. Break down your goals into smaller steps and take one step at a time. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage you to move forward. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to act despite it. 9. Victimization and complaints. There is a trend in victimhood nowadays. However, playing the victim and complaining can drain your energy and hinder your progress. Take responsibility for your actions and focus on solutions rather than problems. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. Shift your mindset from victim to victor. By taking control of your life, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. 10. Focusing on weaknesses and not on your strengths. Focusing on weaknesses can undermine your confidence. It will take a long time to fix and/or improve your weaknesses, which will lead to a counterproductive of your time and efforts. Instead, identify your strengths and leverage them to achieve your goals. Delegate tasks that are not your forte to others who excel in those areas. Invest in personal development to enhance your strengths. Remember, building on your strengths is key to achieving success. 11. Not creating a productive team. No one can do everything. It will be a time vacuum with diluted results. All successful people have a determined team behind all of them. It is said that Richard Branson nowadays spends a lot of time skiing, and his number one comes to consult only for key issues or difficult problems. So, if you really want to be successful and further this success, a productive team can significantly boost your success. Surround yourself with motivated, skilled individuals who share your vision. Foster a collaborative and supportive environment. Delegate tasks effectively and provide constructive feedback. Participate in communities that offer diverse skills to augment your team efforts. Teamwork makes the dream work. 12. Surrounding yourself with uninspired self-clones. Surrounding yourself with uninspired people whose development goals are not in their radar can stifle your growth. Seek out individuals who inspire and challenge you. Engage with diverse perspectives and learn from others' experiences. Network with like-minded people who are driven and ambitious. By surrounding yourself with inspiring individuals, you can stay motivated and achieve your goals. 13. Not making your health priority number one. Neglecting your health can hinder your success. Prioritize a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep. Practice stress management techniques like meditation and mindfulness. Schedule regular health checkups. Remember, a healthy body fuels a healthy mind, enabling you to perform at your best. 14. Not exercising enough. Physical activity is crucial for overall well-being and productivity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Find activities you enjoy, such as walking, yoga, or dancing. Exercise not only boosts your physical health but also enhances your mental clarity and reduces stress. Remember, staying active is key to maintaining energy and focus. By addressing and transforming these 14 habits, you can pave the way to achieving your life goals and success. Each small change you make brings you one step closer to your dreams. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, stay committed, and believe in your potential. You can find more support in our channel for more inspirational and educational content, as well as relaxation and meditation content to support your well-being journey, personal and spiritual development. Consider people who may benefit from this support. Thank you for joining us on this journey to emotional healing, personal and spiritual growth. May you continue to cultivate focus, resilience. You have the power to create the life you desire. Embrace it and live it fully. Let's take this journey together and achieve our dreams.